I always teach with passion because I feel that a teacher who teaches with passion is going to motivate that child to want to learn what you're teaching, and it really makes my day when my students get that aha moment. Well, I'd like to thank Dr. Gonzalez because he has several committees and he has a lead committee, and I was chosen to be the representative for that lead committee. And being able to collaborate with other teachers and look at the issues that the district is talking about in education and seeing where elementary, middle school, and high school, where they're going, what we need to do. I felt it really helped me grow as a person. And also I'd like to thank my principal, who has a vision of let's make these opportunities available to students, not just in the classroom, but after school and to the community. And then I'd also like to thank Wendy Grolier. And I just want to thank her because she's helped me grow as a person and as a teacher. And I have become a better teacher and a person because of these things that I've been exposed to here at McAllen.